Welcome back. I'm at the site of that accident which we've seen, two accidents really, of the Delhi Metro in the Jamrudpur area, squarely in South Delhi. The big question that is being asked, why this sudden urge for the Delhi Metro Corporation to construct at the pace at which they've done? And is the real concern that safety standards are being flouted as a result of the speedy pace of construction? Well, Siddharth Pandey and Manu Sharma got together to file this story on the dangers of speedy construction in the metro.
A salvage operation gone terribly wrong. These 4 cranes were lifting a collapsed girder, but instead within a few seconds, the 3 of them broke down. One crane was tossed up and got wedged in the ground. It took more than 12 hours and 3 additional cranes to bring it down. The operation lasted well into the night.
250 टन की क्रेन की बात कर रहा हूँ, जो 350 वाली है उसका ज़्यादा होगा, तो कुल मिला के 10-15 करोड़ के ऊपर नुकसान है क्रेनों का।
I was controlling all 4 cranes, चारों क्रेन को मैं ही इसको कंट्रोल कर रहा था, सिग्नलिंग भी दे रहा था, कोई दिक्कत नहीं थी।
This morning one lane cleared, but for the residents of the area, the nightmare still continues. No water available for days, and now to get 2 buckets of water, people here are lining up from 3 a.m. Gammon, the contractor in charge, is already under investigation. But the larger question is, with so much work happening, is the DMRC managing to conduct mandatory safety audits?
2 days after the accident, a black shroud has come over pillar 67 in the form of a tarpaulin sheet pulled over by construction workers. But investigators will essentially be examining that pillar, going in its depths to figure out if it was weak, and that led to the accident.
The private contractors in all DMRC projects are hired through tenders. Experts say that while public-private partnership is the way forward, in this case, safety regulations may have been overlooked to meet deadlines.
To what extent DMRC has been vouching those safety aspects of construction and equipment which was being employed is matter to be investigated. Simply putting the entire onus on the contractor, the gammon, or putting on petty people within the DMRC will not work.
NDTV has now learned that the Urban Development Ministry is waiting for DMRC's report on the accident in Delhi, after which it may appoint its own committee that will look at these issues and perhaps even regulate the role of private companies. With Hemant Sharma and Siddharth Pandey in New Delhi, Manu Sharma for NDTV.